Have you ever picked up your phone just to check one message, and suddenly 1 hour disappeared? You watched funny videos, you scrolled through endless reels, you liked hundreds of posts, but when you finally put your phone down, you realized you learned nothing. You felt tired, you felt guilty, you promised yourself, tomorrow I will study. But tomorrow became next week became next month, and your dream stayed exactly where it was. Today, I want to tell you a story that might change the way you look at your phone forever. So sit back, relax, and listen carefully, because this story could change your life. Chapter 1. Meet Arjun. Arjun was an ordinary young man. He had one big dream. He wanted to speak English confidently, not because English was fashionable, not because someone forced him, but because he wanted a better future. He wanted a better job, he wanted to travel, he wanted to communicate with people around the world. He wanted confidence. Every morning he said, "Today I will study English." But every morning his phone vibrated. Just one notification. Let's check for only 2 minutes. 2 minutes became 20, 20 became 1 hour, 1 hour became 3 hours. At night, he looked at the clock. Oh no, I didn't study today. Then he slept. The next day, the same thing happened. Again and again and again. Chapter 2. The Hidden Enemy. One day, Arjun asked himself, why am I not improving? I have books, I have internet, I have YouTube, I have free English lessons, so why am I still not speaking English? Then he realized the problem wasn't a lack of resources. The problem wasn't a lack of intelligence. The problem was distraction. His phone wasn't bad. Social media wasn't completely bad. The real problem was using it without control. Instead of learning, he was scrolling. Instead of practicing, he was comparing himself with others. Instead of growing, he was wasting time. Chapter 3. A Wise Teacher. One afternoon, Arjun met an old English teacher. The teacher smiled and asked, "What do you want in life?" Arjun replied, "I want to speak English fluently." The teacher asked, "What do you do every day?" Arjun looked down. "I spend many hours on social media." The teacher smiled gently. "My son, your future is hidden inside your daily habits. If you spend 3 hours scrolling, you are building someone else's success. But if you spend 3 hours learning, you are building your own future." Those words touched Arjun's heart. Chapter 4. The Challenge. The teacher gave him a challenge. For the next 30 days, don't stop using your phone. Instead, change the way you use it. Every time you want to watch a funny reel, watch one English lesson first. Every time you scroll for 10 minutes, read English for 10 minutes. Every day, learn 10 new words. Listen to English. Speak English. Think in English. Arjun accepted the challenge. Chapter 5. The First Week. The first week was difficult. His fingers automatically opened social media. He almost forgot his promise, but every time he remembered his teacher's words, "Build your future." Instead of random videos, he watched English lessons. Instead of gossip, he listened to English conversations. Instead of wasting time, he learned. Slowly, his confidence started growing.
Chapter 6. Small Changes. After 1 month, people noticed something different. His pronunciation improved. His vocabulary increased. He understood English movies better. He started speaking simple sentences, not perfectly, but confidently. And confidence is more important than perfection. Chapter 7. Never be afraid. Many people laughed. "You speak funny English. You make mistakes." But Arjun smiled, because he knew every expert was once a beginner. Every fluent speaker once struggled. Every successful person once failed. Mistakes are teachers, not enemies. Chapter 8. The Power of Reading. Arjun started reading books, only 5 pages every day, sometimes children's books, sometimes newspapers, sometimes motivational stories. Every new word became a new friend. Every sentence made him stronger. Chapter 9. Speaking without fear. One day, he stood in front of a mirror. He looked into his own eyes. He said, "Good morning. My name is Arjun. I believe in myself. I can learn English. I will never give up." At first, he laughed. Then he repeated, again, again, again. Soon, speaking English became natural. Chapter 10. 1 year later. 1 year passed. Arjun attended a job interview. The interviewer smiled. "Tell me about yourself." A year ago, he would have stayed silent. Today, he smiled confidently. He introduced himself in English. He answered every question. He wasn't perfect, but he communicated clearly. A few days later, he got the job. Not because he knew every grammar rule, but because he had confidence.
Chapter 11. The Real Secret. People asked him, "Which course did you join? What is your secret?" He smiled. "My secret is simple. I stopped wasting time. I started learning every day. 20 minutes every day is better than doing nothing. Small improvements become big success." My dear friends, social media is a tool. It can educate you, or it can waste your life. The choice is yours. Every minute you spend today creates your tomorrow. If your dream is to speak English, don't wait. Start today. Watch English videos, read English books, listen to English podcasts. Practice speaking every day. Don't fear mistakes. Mistakes are proof that you are learning. Remember, no one is born speaking English. Everyone learns. You can learn too. 1 word at a time, 1 sentence at a time, 1 day at a time. Stop scrolling, start growing. Your future self will thank you. Chapter 12. The phone that changed its purpose. After getting his job, Arjun looked at his phone and smiled. "This phone is no longer my distraction. It is now my teacher." He deleted many apps that wasted his time. He turned off unnecessary notifications. He subscribed to English learning channels. Every morning, while drinking tea, he watched 1 English lesson. Every evening before sleeping, he revised 5 new vocabulary words. His phone had not changed, but the way he used it had changed completely. That simple decision transformed his life. Chapter 13. The Coffee Shop Conversation. One Sunday morning, Arjun visited a coffee shop. A foreign tourist entered and asked, "Excuse me, could you tell me where the nearest bus station is?" Everyone looked around. No one answered. Some people understood the question but were afraid to speak. Arjun felt nervous. His heart started beating fast. He remembered the days when he couldn't speak a single sentence. Then he took a deep breath and smiled. "Yes, sir. Go straight for about 500 meters. Then turn left. The bus station is next to the park." The tourist smiled warmly. "Thank you so much." Arjun replied, "You're welcome. Have a nice day." It was only a short conversation, but for Arjun, it was one of the happiest moments of his life. He realized that learning English wasn't just about passing exams. It was about connecting with people, helping others, building confidence, opening doors that once seemed impossible. Chapter 14. Teaching Others. A few months later, Arjun visited his old school. His teacher welcomed him with pride. "My son, how are you?" "I'm doing well, sir." The teacher smiled. "I heard you are speaking English confidently now." "Yes, sir. Thank you for your guidance." The teacher said, "Then it's your turn to guide others."
Arjun began volunteering every Saturday. He taught children simple English words. He encouraged teenagers to practice speaking. He reminded adults that it is never too late to learn. He always told them, "You don't need expensive coaching, you need consistency. You don't need perfect grammar to begin, you need courage." His students loved him because he never laughed at their mistakes. Instead, he celebrated every small improvement.
Chapter 15. A Lesson from Failure. One day, Arjun gave a presentation in English at work. He prepared for many hours, but during the presentation, he forgot some words. He became nervous. He made several grammar mistakes. After the meeting, he felt disappointed. "I've been learning for years. Why do I still make mistakes?" His manager noticed his sadness. He smiled and said, "Do you know why I selected you for this project?" Arjun shook his head. "Not because your English is perfect, but because you never stop trying. Confidence grows from practice, not perfection." Those words reminded Arjun of his teacher's advice years ago. He understood that learning never ends. Every mistake is another step toward success. Chapter 16. The Two Friends. Arjun had two close friends. One was named Rahul, the other was named Vikram. Rahul spent almost 6 hours every day scrolling through social media. Every day he said, "I'll start learning tomorrow." Tomorrow never came. Vikram, on the other hand, spent only 1 hour daily learning English. He watched educational videos, he practiced speaking, he read short stories. After 1 year, their lives looked completely different. Rahul still complained that life was unfair. Vikram had become confident. He received better opportunities. People respected him because he had developed new skills. The difference wasn't talent. The difference was how they used their time. Chapter 17. Time is more valuable than money. Imagine someone gives you 1,000 rupees. You may spend it, you may save it, you may lose it. But tomorrow you can earn it again. Now think about 1 hour. Once it is gone, it never comes back. No bank can return it. No rich person can buy it. No scientist can create more of it. Time is life's greatest treasure. Every minute you waste is a minute of your dream disappearing. Every minute you invest in learning is a seed for your future. Ask yourself every night, what did I learn today? Not, how many videos did I watch? Chapter 18. Your English journey starts today. Perhaps you're watching this video because you also want to improve your English. Maybe you understand English but cannot speak. Maybe you are afraid of making mistakes. Maybe people laugh when you try. Don't let that stop you. Every fluent speaker was once a beginner. Every teacher was once a student. Every success story started with one decision. Today can be your first step. Learn 5 new words. Read 1 page. Watch 1 English lesson. Speak 1 sentence. Tomorrow, do it again. After 1 month, you'll notice improvement. After 1 year, you'll surprise yourself. Never underestimate the power of small daily actions. My dear friends, your mobile phone can either steal your future or help you build it. The decision is yours. Use social media wisely. Follow pages that educate you. Watch videos that inspire you. Read books that increase your knowledge. Speak with confidence. Practice every day. Never compare your Chapter 1 with someone else's Chapter 20. Grow at your own pace. Stay patient, stay consistent, believe in yourself. Because one day, someone will ask you, "How did you become so confident in English?" And you'll smile and say, "I simply stopped scrolling and started learning."
Thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. I hope this story reminded you that your future is shaped by the choices you make every single day. Every minute you spend learning is an investment in yourself, and every new English word you learn brings you one step closer to your dreams. Remember, you don't have to be perfect to start. You just have to start. Practice a little every day, be consistent, and never be afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning, and every successful English speaker was once a beginner. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, turn on the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming English learning videos, motivational stories, vocabulary lessons, and speaking practice. Tell us in the comments, from today, I choose learning over scrolling. Thank you for your love and support. Until our next video, keep learning, keep growing, keep believing in yourself, and remember, stop scrolling, start learning. Build your future. See you in the next video. Take care, stay positive, and keep growing. Goodbye.